Hi, my name is Alejandro Salcido. I'm currently a student at Arizona State University in Tempe, Arizona. Today I'm going to detail some of the things that I do in order to achieve and apply the principles of law of attraction to my life. The first thing that I do want to mention is actually right behind me. It is a picture frame. The inside is black and the outside is white. It is an entire wall, and I painted the wall black inside the picture frame, and then you can tell at the bottom of it it's spilling out slightly. I'm very attracted to the idea of picture frames and kind of what they represent for me. I kind of developed this entire philosophy around picture frames that basically describes how we as individuals and how I have um, been motivated and encouraged and empowered to create my own life, to create the own framework that exists in my own life, in my reality. And it's gone pretty far to the point where I actually have a tattoo of a picture frame on my back, and I can show you that right now. As you can see, that it doesn't have anything inside, and the main purpose behind that is to detail that we all view things differently. My interpretation of beauty, my interpretation of art is definitely different from the next person, and we control that. We can apply and we can put inside what we want and what we believe to be true and honest, and that will manifest those positive things for ourselves, and will manifest that lifestyle, the encouragement, the love that we need to live to the fullest. The picture frame behind me, however, doesn't necessarily represent that. It is definitely a more representation of the way that I used to live my life. The negative thoughts, kind of the darkness behind those thoughts and those motivations, and what existed in my life during that time was definitely spilling out and affecting other parts of me. It was affecting my school, affecting my family and friends, and it just didn't have the best outcomes for me. And so from the motivation that I received, um, from different people in my life when I was dealing with situations of depression and concussion symptoms from a car accident, I definitely had to figure out a way to keep myself motivated, as well as deal with pain, deal with the emotional stress that I had at the time, in order to overcome these things in my life. And it definitely wasn't an easy process, and it's never an easy process, but I fully understood that it was something that I had to internalize and that I had to do for myself. No one else could do it for me. I had to take the responsibility into my own hands in order to achieve the result that I wanted to achieve. So one of the first things that I decided to do was adopt a few different things into my life. One being meditation. I did read this book called So Centered. It is basically an 8-week guide to meditation. And a little bit beyond that, I started to realize that everything is energy. And so I started to understand the ability that I have as an individual to bring change upon my own health. So thank you for watching my video, and I look forward to hearing from you.